everybody, welcome to my mother's YouTube channel. My name is Gizmo. Oh, aren't you sweet? Okay guys, today I did 2 transactions over at Walgreens, if we'll ever focus. This was a $25 basket. I had a $5 digital booster, plus I had a $7 paper booster. After everything is said and done, this for me was an $8.70 money maker. If you do not want to factor in a $6 manufacturer register reward that I kicked into it, because I didn't have that BOGO free coupon for this, so I had to get creative. It's still a $2.70 money maker, so I'll explain that in a quick one. Along with, I found a ton of 50% detergent. This guy completely free. I'll show you how to do that. And even clearance per sold with our new $2 coupon. I got that for $2.19. I used 20 bucks in Walgreens cash and got this bounty, so we'll talk about that. And I'll show you the UPCs. Most of this detergent's only 50% off, so if that's a go price for you, you make the decision. And then we're going to talk a little bit about Dollar General clearance event at the end of the video. This clearance event ends today, which is Sunday, so and the app is working, so haha, is that funny? So we'll talk about that at the very end. And the weather report for you, as you can see, it is kind of a rainy one, kind of slick conditions out there. Be safe if you're driving. Okay, so before we hop into my haul, I just want to talk about a clearance find that's totally free with the IBC coupon. So this Polygrip is 90% off. So if you walk down the dental care aisle, a lot of stores hit 90. So this is the 2.2 ounce. It's a super Polygrip. My mom wears dentures and partials, so I'm always trying to buy stuff when it's really cheap. This is on clearance for 60 cents. And at my store, so hopefully it's the same price at yours. We have a $1 IBC coupon, guys, so that 60 cents will get reduced down to 60 cents. The IBC will take the whole thing, so it makes it a completely free item. I just had to pay tax. So that was a superb little find in the dental care aisle. This Dentac is another little product that I found on clearance. But like, again, there was very little at my store. This was 32 cents and it's on a buy one, get one free promotion. So unfortunately I could only find one. And of course the cheaper product would be free, so I didn't grab a full price item. But this was 32 cents. And here is the UPC if you wish to get the cashier to scan it at your store. Scanning it in the app, it was just full price, but to pay 32 cents for a bunch of these pickies, what a great deal. Walk down that dental care aisle, guys, because there's a lot to be had and found. Okay, so let's talk about my quick little haul. And I had a booster, which was spend 25, get back 7. And then I also had a digital of spend 20, get back 5. So my basket had to be $25 for all of this stuff. So I'm gonna explain what I got. I got these 2 Cetaphils. It was the cheapest item in store. Online it's a bit cheaper, but in store, this is what I grabbed. $7.49, $3.74. And we also have to factor in, I used this IVC coupon, a $4 off too. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 for each. And then plus I had a $6 register reward that I utilized for this basket. So I didn't have a problem with that. I had to use the register reward so I wouldn't lose it. So it just worked out in the wash with the 2 higher boosters. Okay, so I did not get this manufacturer coupon, so I'm doing it without it just to show you. And also, I'm just going to jog you through this if you want to do this deal without a booster. So I grabbed 2 of these for $7.49, the cheapest item I could find that would work. So 2 of these. And the soap next to it was $12.49. It's not $2.49. This is the IVC coupon. Either get it from the Big Book of Savings or you can load it digitally. It is your choice and it's $4 off. And then this is the IBOTTA rebate. It's $1.50 back for each, so that is $3 as I'm grabbing 2. Now the coupon that I did use was this manufacturer register reward from last week's Tide deal, so I utilized that one. So looking at the math, Two of the wipes is $11.23 on a BOGO 50% off promotion. Scanning that 4 off of 2 IVC, it's $7.23. I utilize that $6 register reward, pay $1.23, get $3 back from IBOTTA. I think it's a smart move. That IBOTTA rebate is expiring quickly. And again, this deal is if you're not using a booster and you just want to get some Cetaphil stuff on the cheap. This is just an option. Okay, for this guy is $4. We have a $2 digital. This guy is $4. We have a $2 digital. So for two of them, it's $8. Subtracting the 2 and 2, you're paying $4, and then getting back a $4 store register reward. That worked out beautifully. I also grabbed these little soft soaps. We got a $1 digital this morning, and this is the 7.5 ounces, so they're $1.99 a pop. So for 4 of them, that's $5.97. Subtracting that $1 digital coupon, you're gonna pay $4.97, and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 97 cents for 4 hand soaps. What a superb price point. Okay guys, so before I show you the $25 basket, this is the last one where if you wanted to do this deal on its own without a booster, I'm just showing you like a matchup singularly without a booster. And for the last 3, so for the Crest, for the Cetaphil and this, if you wanted to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, yes you can if you're not using it with one of those 5 back when you spend 20 booster or the 7 back when you spend 25 booster. To get my basket right to 25, I needed this, which was 32 cents. And then I also threw in one of these clearance tides, and they are 50% off, so it was $3.79. So for my entire basket, guys, all of this good stuff, so the Dentec, this, the 2 Cetaphils, the 4 soft soaps, and the Tide, for all of this magic, it was $25.31. I have already subtracted the $2 IVC for these 2 ladies as well, because there's a $2 off or there's a $2 off each IVC. So after that came off, it's $25.31. You really have to be on top of your math for this one when you're doing IVCs in a deal. So what I did was I had my booster loaded. I also got the cashier to scan the 7 back when you spend 25. I presented one $6 register reward. It attached to that. A $2 off for this, a $2 off for this, a $1 off for this. So I paid $14.30 with my debit card. And then I got back $16 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the $25 booster, 5 for the $20 booster, and then 4 buckos for Mr. Soft Soap. And then I also got back a $4 register reward for the purchase of these 2 guys. And then IBOTTA gave me back $1.50 for these 2, so that's $3 there. So for me, just flipping that $6 register reward, it's free plus an $8.70 money maker. Now, if you do not have that $6 register reward from the Tide deal last week, it would be free and a $2.70 money maker if you can line this up. At the very least, I would do this deal and the soft soap deal if you have no boosters. It's still very inexpensive product. I would look for the 90% off dental care as well. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you close-ups of what I got. So this is the 24 load of this Tide, and it's called the Hygienic Clean 10 times. And this guy was $3.74. So here is the UPC for this. I think they're trying to make the bottles even smaller or change stuff around, like not 24 loads anymore. This other one called Botanical Rain, and guys, I didn't have any coupons for any of this, but I'll explain how I did it. I got 3 of these, And for those who are curious, no, I did not clear out my store either. They still had even more stuff, but I just got $20 worth. And this guy was also $3.74, and I grabbed 3 of them. Mr. Persil, this guy was $4.19. We have a $2 digital, so it made it $2.19. That's totally what it's about. And here is the UPC for this, if you want to look for the exact same one. I really hope that you guys are able to score some of this detergent if you really need it. And then we have this Downy, if it'll ever focus. And this lady was $2.29. And here is the UPC. Okay, so looking at my basket, this obviously doesn't really matter because the IBC made it 0. So I have 4 Tides priced at $3.79, so that's $15.16. Again, I had no coupons for these. And then the Persil was $4.19. I had a $2 digital, and this was $2.29. So for all of this magic, after the $2 coupon for that guy, it was $19.64, and I had an IVC subtract the 60 cents for that. So in Michigan, you can actually use your Walgreens cash to pay down some of your tax. So that's what precisely I did. I took $20 in Walgreens cash to pay this down. For 6 detergent products for $20 of Walgreens cash. That is an absolute and total no-brainer. And this is Tide Red. It's not, or the Tide Orange. It's not like the cheapy one. So I'm okay with parting with $20 of Walgreens cash. I know this stuff will not stay on the shelf very long, especially with what's going on in the world, just with prices of everything going up, and, you know, insecurities at the grocery store of the food prices and laundry prices, and this company wants to go a lot higher, so to get some of this on the cheap, I'm okay with that. Now in my inserts this weekend, guys, I got a couple of these diaper coupons. It's $2.50 off of a Huggy. I don't have a little one in diapers, so if you do have a baby, in the comments let me know where you're from. Say you're from Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. And that's your entry. I'll give one of you 5 of these coupons because I will not be using them. And to store diapers, they're quite bulky as well. So I'm gonna pass on this. But one of you parents out there, I want you guys to have it. So we'll have one winner for 5 of these coupons. Good luck. Okay, so over at the Dollar General, today is the last day of this clearance event. And I'm just gonna kind of go by memory some of these items. This was a freebie and a little bit of overage, but the digital coupon for this one expired for the Aussie. I know that it's 65 cents each. That's the price you would pay today for it, which is, I think, a little bit too much. This was another one with a coupon that expired yesterday, so I'm not even going to talk about it, but it's $1.50 if you wanted the Herbal Essence. This Suave hand soap was a really good deal. You buy 2 of them. We have a $1.50 Dollar General coupon off of the 2. So it made it completely free, and it's once per store card. Pantenes, and I did a lot of this yesterday, which was Saturday, with a 5 off of 25. So that's how I was able to get a lot of this really cheap. I think I paid, like, after and I bought a rebate for this, I paid like, gosh, I think it's $3 for $50 of merch. It was really crazy. These little Pantenes were $2.25, so for 3 of them, that's like what, $6 and some change, and we have a 5 off of 3, so it made it really cheap as a big filler item for the Saturday 5 off of 25, and I believe that Pantene coupon is still available. This little Skintimate was $2.40. We have a $4 digital, and another $4 digital showed up this morning for that. So it makes it free plus $1.60 of overage, either the Skintimate razors or these refills. Renewal, I think the coupon is still valid for this. This guy is $2.10. We have a $3 digital, so it makes it free plus 90 cents of overage. This is a great one to look for. Look for it in the regular aisle too. This is probably one of my favorite finds. It's these Schwarzkopf Got To Bees. It's like a gel of some sort, or a curl cream. They're $1.50. IBOTTA has a $1.50 rebate, so it basically made it completely for free. These were $1.20. I just threw them in my basket to fill up the basket. And then this was another great little find. These little oils that go into one of these, you know, they spray your house for like 45 days. These were $1.50, guys. And we have a $1.50 digital coupon. And there's also one in this weekend's insert, so it makes it completely free. So that is a really good price. And another superb find were these double packs of the Fixodent. I believe they were like $3.15. We have a $2 digital. It's still valid, so it would make it $1.15. And I threw this into a 5 off of 25 basket. So yesterday, the Dollar General app was really, really punky. It wasn't working to its potential. It kept throwing people out. You had to re-sign in. It was a hot breakfast mess. So today it's working perfectly. If you have a couple of minutes to get out to the Dollar General and look for this stuff, it might be worth your time. And I will let you guys know something. I went to the Dollar General twice yesterday. I went in the morning, did a 5 off of 25, and I went back in the afternoon and did another 5 off of 25 at the same store. The store still had a ton of merchandise because the app wasn't working. Shoppers were not out on Saturday. So I think that cost the Dollar General. So good luck with this one. And I usually have a table 5 times the size of this Dollar General stuff, but on Saturday I just kind of kept it small. Gas is like $4.20 here, so I am not driving to every single store just to get like this for free. I just called it, man, because I'm really being intentional now of the shopping that I'm doing. I'm not going to go to and from the store 18 times just because that gas is expensive. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.